Life is not easy, my friend. Challenges will come your way and they will beat you down. But don't give up. Don't ever give up. You can't just put on a mask and hide away. You need to face your fears head on and take control of your life. There will be times when fear will paralyze you, when you won't know what the future holds. But you have to ask yourself, do you have hope? Do you believe that you can overcome any challenge that life throws your way? No matter how many times you get knocked down, what really matters is that you get back up. You need to keep going, keep pushing forward, and keep fighting for what you want in life. Don't let your emotions control you. You have the power to discipline and contain them. You have the power to choose how you want to react to every situation in your life. You are in control. You want to be a diamond, don't you? Well, it's not going to be easy, but it's possible. It's a matter of will, hard work, sacrifice, dedication, and commitment. It's not about genetics or potential. It's about your attitude and your willingness to persevere. Yes, the journey ahead will be tough. You will face obstacles and discomfort, but you can make it through. You can be victorious. You just need to make up your mind that you will not give up, that you will not quit. You will keep going, no matter what. Don't let anyone tell you that you can't achieve your dreams. No one can predict what's possible for your life. If you're willing to go through the battles and face the challenges, you can achieve anything you want. Remember, as long as you're alive, you're still in the game. You can still make it happen. You just need to get up, take action, and make it a reality. So, get your butt up and go out there and conquer your dreams. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for the key to success, then you won't want to miss the video at the top. It's packed with valuable insights and practical tips that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your full potential. And if you're serious about succeeding, then you won't want to leave without